RCB has won the IPL.
रोज आते हैं इस उम्मीद पे आज जीतेंगे, कल जीतेंगे, परसों जीतेंगे, रोज हारते हैं.
Not the IPL trophy, bro, but in terms of money, business and marketing. Yes, despite of not having an IPL trophy, RCB is the most successful team in the history of IPL. But how? आपने अक्सर क्रिटिक्स को एक कहते सुना होगा कि आरसीबी के पास इतने बड़े बड़े नाम है फिर भी वो आज तक एक आईपीएल ट्रॉफी नहीं जीत पाई. बट व्हेन यू सी इट विद द आईज ऑफ अ मार्केटियर, दे हैव लेफ्ट बिहाइंड एवरी आईपीएल फ्रेंचाइजी.
एक था जो अकेले पूरी फ्रेंचाइजी को पैसे बना के देता था.
So an IPL team makes money by 4 ways: tickets, sponsorships, merchandise, winning prize amount. So in this 16 years of IPL, RCB has made huge and most important the loyal fan base. It doesn't matter if it is RCB's first match of the season or last match, the fan never disappoints the franchisee, and that's why their tickets always get sold out in advance. जहां पे दूसरी टीमों के पास 1-2 स्टार प्लेयर्स होते हैं, वहां पे आरसीबी के पास 3 से 4 स्टार प्लेयर्स होते ही है, ड्यू टू विच स्पॉन्सरशिप हैज नेवर बीन एन इशू फॉर देम. This year, RCB has signed a record-breaking 3-year title sponsorship deal for 75 crore with Qatar Airways. And along with it, other brands like Puma, Boat, Equitas, Mahindra has been an association with the franchisee from long term. So when you're a fan of any IPL franchisee, you like to show it off to the world. And when it comes to RCB, their design and branding is of top notch and most attractive of all, due to which their merchandise is being sold under the brands like Status Quo and Puma. भले ही आरसीबी आज तक एक भी आईपीएल ट्रॉफी नहीं जीता, बट दे स्टिल अर्न्स अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम बीसीसीआई फॉर एंडिंग द सीजन ऑन अ गुड रैंकिंग ऑन पॉइंट्स टेबल. In fact, they have won 2.4 crore for being a runner-up in 2009, 5 crore for being a runner-up in 2011, and 11 crore for being a runner-up in 2016. Now, if you think that's it, then no, you are wrong. RCB is the team which has the power to fill their stadium even for their practice matches. And not just the fan, their ex-players like AB de Villiers and Chris Gayle are still connected with them. A recent report shows that they had made it to the list of top 5 sports clubs globally, and they ranked number 5th just after the iconic football clubs like Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, Manchester United, PSG. And they are the only cricketing franchisee who has made to this list. So if you are an RCB fan, here's your chance to shut the mouth of haters by sharing this video with them. And if you love this video, give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more such amazing videos.